Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's very short video I have a 2010 Nissan Sentra and I will show you how to remove and replace the gas or fuel door. This video will apply to Nissan Sentras made from 2007 all the way up to 2012. So as you can see, my door is completely bent. You can't even close it properly or open it. So the only way to actually fix it is to replace it. Luckily, it's very easy to replace it. There is just two screws holding it in place. You'll have one torx T20 screw down here and one up here. Okay, once you have removed these two screws, like I said before, there is nothing else actually holding that gas door, so you can remove it. But before removing it, you just want to detach this plastic line that's still connected to that gas door, so you just want to pretty much pull it off, and that's it. You're ready to install your new door. Okay, so you have a couple of options where to get this gas door. I got mine from a local salvage, so it's not in perfect shape. There's like a small ding right here, but I don't really care about that. I paid it like 10 bucks and I was lucky enough to find the matching color. Your other option is checking on eBay or Amazon. I've seen them there as well. They're not too expensive. And your third option is calling your local Nissan dealer and buying it brand new, but that will cost you quite a lot. So even if you find a different color on a salvage, you can take it to a body shop for them to paint it, or even better, you can just buy a spray paint can and do it yourself. That's also an option. It really depends how good you want it to look. But that's it. Good luck. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.